guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be deep cleaning my room for the new year. I'm going to start off by getting ready and then we're going to start deep cleaning. Okay, so I just finished getting ready and now I'm going to clean my room. So I'm going to start off by making my bed because I feel like that if my bed is messy, then my whole room is messy. My bed is all made and now I'm just gonna get rid of the Christmas decorations because I'm kind of tired of them already. I know it's only December 26th, but the Christmas decorations have got to go. I found the old decorations, the regular ones, in the bag, so I'm gonna put those back up. Okay, so pretty much all my Christmas stuff is gone, but I am gonna leave up my tree. Now I'm just gonna fold my laundry because it's been sitting here for a while and I need my floor space back. Now I'm going to be cleaning and organizing, redoing this shelf. Also, this shelf is extremely dusty, if you guys can tell. Yeah, it's really dusty. Starting off with the first shelf, let's clear it off and then organize it. Okay, so I just cleaned it and like, why is it this dirty? It's literally so disgusting. Okay, please ignore this angle because my tripod is literally on a chair. Now, this shelf is mainly books and paper towels, I guess. So this one should be pretty easy. You can literally see the dust flying everywhere. Okay guys, so it is now nighttime if you guys can't tell. I'm going to shut my blinds because... So, yeah. My shelves look really good though, except I still have to do this one, and then over here is just a mess. So yeah, let's do the bottom one, then we'll tackle this disaster, but let's start off with down here. I'm gonna leave it like this and we'll see if I change it later. Okay, so now I need to tackle my desk because it's kind of bad. Like, what am I supposed to do with the wood? Okay, so it is now day 2 of cleaning my room for the new year, and over here I feel like it got a little worse, but I don't know. And my closet, yeah, I have to remake my bed, so let me do that real quick. I just need to tidy it up and wipe down the mirrors. I just have my ring light right here for when I film Get Ready With Me. I have my touch mirror, I have my regular light and then I have this with all my products. Okay, so now it's time to clean the floor, so let's do that. I'm going to do a time lapse because we have storage issues. Okay, so now the floor is pretty much clean. Over here is not really clean. My bed has some stuff on it, but now I'm gonna start off by organizing my cord, camera equipment. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then we'll move on to the next section. So my room is now clean and now I'm going to be doing the rest of my getting my life together part, like bullet journaling and planning. So now let's do that. Okay, so I do have some homework to catch up on, so I'm going to be doing that right now and then we'll get started with the rest of the stuff. never filmed a real outro for this video, so this will be it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!